be doing it again.
Evil Empire, laughing all the way to the bank.
I can provide sleep sounds if you like. I have several options. Summer night, ocean paradise, whale calls.
No. White noise is fine.
Very well.
Good night, Socks.
Good night, Buzz.
I'm here to serve you customers.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts!
It's a very nice home.
Oh, thank you.
See, a lot of memories were had here.
Yes.
Yeah.
20 years almost.
You have a dad. That's cool.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank
What's
you.
that like?
Prove me wrong. Peak comedy is crop to yiff, according to this guy.
I'm so sick of hearing this music everywhere I go. I think Kenny likes it.
This is a homicidal maniac. No, you may not date him.
Can't stop, you know we'll never give it up. People talk, but we just don't care. In this life, you know you gotta live it up. So everybody put your hands in the air. It's an all-night party that we're getting into. You think it's all over, then the joke is on you. It's a dream, it's a scene. I'm not here living though, I'm not here living though.
No, Garfield, the cable's out.
What's wrong with this thing?
Did you hear what I said? The cable's out.
Maybe it needs new batteries.
Garfield, listen to me carefully. The cable is out.
The cable?
Dad, I just had sex. Son, that's great. Come here and sit down. I can't, my ass hurts.
Want to dress up like ladies? Wouldn't that make us kind of fruity? What's the matter? Scared you might like it?